Assalamualaikum guys, in this video we are learning about the demonstration of conditional operator. So I had already learned you what is conditional operator and the types of the operators, and also with the demonstration. This video is particularly for the conditional operator. The conditional operator says, let's say what the conditional operator here is. Yeah, I wanted to declare two kinds of variable at the same time, so I just type a comma v equals to 10 comma 12. Here the two variables declared at the same time, so I just want a minimum, let's say maximum is the keyword to define the maximum value of the number. For example, max equals to j if a is less than b, else b, else v. Here I required the variable as v, so I just wanted to be print here v, type here v, and wanted to print the max here. So the max, what does the max is max is 10. Yeah, if here the line says itself max equals to a, which is 10, if a is less than b, else v. It is true. The condition we given, that is true, because I given here the condition a is less than b. That is true. The condition is true because 10 is less than 10. 12 is less than 10 is less than 12. So I just wanted to print out min function. Min is nothing but the minimum of the function. If a is greater than b, else v. It is also printed as the same thing, that 10, the value 10 will be printed here also. Min, let's say what it be, it is 12, because the condition here false, because of that it printed 12, that is the value of v. So to learn this kind of more concepts, stay tuned with my channel and be kind enough to like my videos and also share the videos. Also, I want to see the comments there, guys. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you very much, and subscribe to my channel.